How to add BCC group in Outlook. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. The first thing that you need to do is to open up the app or the software of Outlook on your desktop. Once you have done that, you're going to see here the emails of your inbox, the account right there, and everything that you need. The first thing that you need to do is to add a new email or send a new email. You're going to click on this one. Once you have clicked, it will pop up here a new window containing the email or the structure of your email that you're going to send. Here we have the CC, which is an abbreviation of carbon copy. Here, the carbon copy is a list of emails that you are going to add right there from all the recipients, and then you can add some members that you haven't mentioned in the recipients at the top, which is 2. Now, these carbon copy will get the email, but they will know when they see the sign of CC that it is not obliged for them or required to reply or send an email back. So here you are going to type in your recipient, then you're going to add the CC, which is the list of the emails that you want the recipient to see that you have already sent this email to this person mentioned on the carbon copy. Now, how we can add the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy. So all we need to do, we are going to click on options. Then we're going to head here to the 3 vertical dots. Now we have from show fields, we have BCC. So we are going to click on it and here we have it added. So let's type in on the recipient here an email address. For example, I'm going to throw up here any email address that is in my brain. So we are going to put here jack@gmail, for example.com. Then we are going to type in the CC, which is the list of the emails that we are going to set for Jack to see that we have sent the same email to. For example, Jackie@gmail.com, like that. Let's say also we have Smith at, for example, gmail.com. Here it is suitable for you to add emails in bulk. So you are going to separate all the emails with the point and comma here. Then you're going to add all the emails that you want Jack to see that we have added all the emails. Now for the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy, we are going to type in from this list of the CC a person that we don't want Jack to see that we have sent the email to. For example, we are going to type in Jackie@gmail.com. So I think that you have guessed the role of the BCC. We are going to here exclude Jackie from the list of emails or recipients that Jack can see on their CCs. So here, Jack will not know that we have sent the same email to Jackie. So you can add a list from here to BCC to exclude from the CCs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.